Hi, this is Jeff Tricoli again with the Tricoli Real Estate team. And today I wanted to talk about buyers falling out of contracts or canceling contracts. We're definitely seeing more of it. We do vet a lot of buyers, so our team is seeing less than the overall market, but we are seeing a lot of homes coming back onto the market. So just want to go through a couple of points and what's going on right now. We're seeing buyer remorse. We're seeing buyer remorse from when buyers bought in 2022. And then it leads up to today where our market's not as strong. There is increased amount of inventory and there's less buyers. So the supply and demand, where our supply we are seeing growing and the demand of buyers is not there like it was. So buyers that even bought in 2022 are starting to raise their hand and wanting to sell already. And then buyers today, they're just becoming a lot more picky. It's really important that we finalize those negotiations and get things done as quickly as possible, get things moving forward. We do vet the buyers, we vet their lender. We have a big conversation with the realtor as well as their lender to make sure it's as foolproof as possible. So we do a lot, which is very important in this type of market to ensure we keep that buyer around. Number two is the inspection. During that inspection period, we always sell it as is. We sell your home as is, and they have the right to inspect, which means they have the right to cancel for any reason. So the least amount of reasons to give them to cancel is very important. If you have an older home or an older roof or maybe some issues that you may not know of, a pre-inspection may not be a bad idea. And we can certainly get you in touch with a lender that can give you a good deal on a potential pre-inspection. We don't recommend it on all houses, but there are times if it's unforeseen issues, they may come back. Older roofs right now are big issues for buyers. We're seeing all these hurricanes, now tornadoes out there. So there are issues that can arise and that can make buyers hesitant to move forward. So we want to keep that open and keep it open mind that, there's these issues that could come up and we want to kind of hit that head on first and have the least amount of defects to cause a buyer to cancel or that sort of thing. The third is just drawn out negotiations. Normally, I don't like to go back and forth on negotiations a whole lot. I like to try to close that deal pretty quickly, make it a little easier. If we're trying to get this pie in the sky, price now, it's going to be challenging because we got to worry about the inspection and then the appraisal and then all these other circumstances. So normally we try and go in there, price it right, get the home under contract, get a good price in today's market for it, and get everything going pretty quickly. So we don't want to drag on those negotiations to have to worry about the appraisals. We do put a package together. So we draw as many comps as we can find, put that package together. Any upgrades you may have, really important to fill out our upgrade sheet every time. And we provide that to the appraiser to help justify the value as much as possible. So there are things we do differently and hit it and become very proactive in the process. And then just be conscious about some of these other factors as well. We are outperforming the market in terms of seeing the less amount of fallout, but there is fallout there and there are buyers that are canceling deals. So we do everything we can to keep them in that. If you'd like to know any more information about this in today's market and where we're at right now, give us a call, email us, go to our website. We'd love to help out. Again, this is Jeff Tricoli with the Tricoli Real Estate team, and we look forward to doing business with you in the future. Thank you.